Aloha. It's Sherry, the Merry Mermaid. I'm just merry whenever I'm in a pool. I can't help it. It's how I feel. Now, feelings can most definitely change, whether year to year, month to month. Sometimes it's moment to moment. So I have a thought-provoking poem for you today. It's called Parasites of Nature. And obviously it was written during one of my moments. I hope that you don't have too many of these moments, but if you do, I hope that I can also help you. A pleading the soul cannot hide. The windows show all against will. This monster feeling ravages my entire being within. Shall any part survive this time? You'll be happy to know that all parts survived that time. But again, we all have those moments. So I'm hoping that you have none of those kind of moments today. I hope you have wonderful moments and caring moments and loving moments. Right now, the moments I must face are with my swim gloves and pretty snorkel. I will be having many moments doing my aquasizes and swimming. But for now, the only thing that you have to worry about is that it's time to make a big splash in your world today.